Hey everyone, welcome to Hrithvi AI System. On this channel, we don't learn coding, we just chat with Codex. Today, we're going to build a QR attendance Android app without writing a single line of code. Can Codex really build the whole app just from a simple chat? Let's find out. Before we start, here's all you need: a computer, Codex, and an Android phone. Seriously, that's it. No coding, no programming, just chat with Codex and let it build your app. Let's do this! Let's open Codex. I'm not going to write any code. I'm just going to tell Codex what I want. Let's see if it can build a complete Android app from a simple chat. Here we go. If this is your first time, don't worry. You don't need to know coding. You don't need to know programming. All you have to do is tell Codex what you want. Just like sending a message to a friend. That's exactly what I'm doing now. I'm keeping it simple. I'm only telling Codex what kind of app I want. Nothing more. Now, it's Codex's turn. This is the real test. Can Codex understand what I mean? Can it build a real Android app from one simple message? Let's watch what happens next. Right now, Codex is reading my message. It's planning how to build the app. I'm not telling it how to write the code. I'm only explaining what I need. If everything goes well, we should have a working Android app. Let's see what Codex creates. While Codex is working, let me tell you something. A lot of people think building an Android app is really hard. Maybe you've thought the same thing. You hear words like coding, programming, or Android Studio, and it feels confusing. That's exactly how I felt when I first started. But today, things are changing. Now, you don't always have to know how to write the code. You just need to explain what you want. Think about it like this. When you order food, you don't tell the chef how to cook it. You simply tell them what you want to eat. The chef does the rest. That's very similar to what we're doing here. I'm not telling Codex how to build the app. I'm only describing the app I want. Now it's doing all the hard work. If everything goes well, we should have a real Android app. And remember, this is just the beginning. In the next videos, we'll build bigger, better, and more powerful apps. For now, let's see what Codex creates. Building the app is only the first step. Now, we need to make sure everything works. That's why I'm asking Codex to check the app. If everything looks good, it will install the app on my Android phone. Will everything work on the first try? Let's find out. Right now, Codex is checking the app. It's making sure everything is working the way it should. I'm not doing anything. I'm just watching while Codex checks each part of the app. If it finds a problem, it can fix it. If everything looks good, we'll start testing the app ourselves. Let's see. The app is ready. Now we need something to scan. So I asked Codex to create a sample attendance QR code. This will help us test the app from start to finish. In the next step, we'll scan this QR code and check if the attendance is saved automatically. And there it is! The attendance was added without any errors. Everything is working perfectly. Perfect! Everything is working, just as expected. But I think we can make it even better. So I asked Codex to improve the look of the app. Let's see what changes it makes. Mission complete! We asked Codex to build the app. It built it. We installed it. We tested it. Everything worked. No coding, just chatting with Codex. Before you go, I want to ask you something. How many app ideas have you had but never built? Not because they were bad ideas, but because you thought, I don't know coding. What if that wasn't stopping you anymore? That's why I created Hrithvi AI System. This isn't just another tech channel, it's a place where anyone can learn to build. Android apps, desktop software, AI tools, automation, and much more. We'll start simple, then we'll build bigger projects together. You don't have to become a software engineer overnight. You just need one idea and the willingness to learn. So here's your first challenge. Think about one app you've always wanted. Write it in the comments. Who knows, your idea might become our next project. Until then, keep learning, keep building, and I'll see you in the next video.